Hello, you lovely bunch of English-speaking people out there, and you 77 subscribers. Oh, it brings a tear to my eye that people out there really do care. Okay, so it's Monday morning. We're in December. There is snow on the hills out the back. It's a beautiful day. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to go and make pasta fagioli or pasta fagioli with the butcher of the town. Okay, so we're going to try and do the vegetarian version. Yeah, anything more to say? Yeah, the pasta fagioli I thought originally was Napolitano, from Napoli, the way of saying it. In actual fact, it's just dialect of lots of different places, and here they use it as well. In fact, the actual name would be pasta si fagioli, which means pasta with beans. Pasta, obviously, being pasta, and fagioli being beans in Italian, and fagioli in dialect. So let's go and do it. Ciao! Okay, so here we go. This is the butcher shop, and here we are. Ciao, Alessandro. In English?
No, English no.
Okay, all right, so this is Alessandro, and yeah, we're here to do a pasta fagioli, okay, perfect. But first, it's time to take a coffee, have a coffee. Okay, so we'll see you later. Ciao.
Okay.
So we're back again in the afternoon. Should have been just an hour later, but we've already got everything out and ready for you guys. Look at that. Okay, I don't know, can you see it all? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we'll go to the other camera, which is a new camera today, thanks to Mauro Spagnoli, and we'll start describing everything that's happened. Okay, Alessandro.
Ok, allora se rimaniamo da dove siamo partiti, abbiamo fatto stamattina abbiamo lessato i fagioli borlotti,
Okay.
300 grammi di fagioli borlotti, una metà li lasciamo interi.
Sì.
E l'altra metà dopo li andiamo a passare con il frullatore.
Okay, so these beans are called borlotti, okay, so they're the classic beans which I showed you before. He's saying they did 300 grams of beans, boiled beans. They were boiled for about an hour. But he's going to leave half of it in a jar, anyway, separate, and this half, or one half, is going to be mixed up, okay, so it becomes a sort of a goo. Okay, right.
Ok, adesso prepariamo il soffritto.
Okay, so we're going to go on to the Okay, so now we're doing the soffritto. As you can see, it's not a nice pan.
Quando la verdura si è appassita un po', mettiamo giù dopo la passata di pomodoro.
Okay, so once this has gone a little bit, not crunchy, so it's gone a little bit tender, we're then going to put in some tomato sauce, the classic, not your Heinz. Okay, so we're about 5 minutes into this soffritto. He's now going to add the tomato.
Mettiamo giù tomato.
Tomato juice.
Pomodoro.
Okay.
Così.
Okay. In the meantime, they've been sorting out some broth, and he's doing vegetable broth just for this, because otherwise it would be meat broth. Quindi per la carne, tu solitamente fai il brodo di carne?
Allora, per la carne no, va sempre bene anche il brodo di verdura, sempre bene. Però nel soffritto prima ci aggiunge la pancetta.
Ah, okay. Right, so instead of putting meat in the broth, he would normally put meat in the soffritto. So he'd put a bit of bacon in the soffritto. Okay, so right.
Nel frattempo passiamo i fagioli con il
Okay, so now we're going to mix the beans.
Allora adesso aggiungiamo i fagioli
So now we're putting in the regular beans, obviously in the sofritto
Okay.
with the tomato sauce. Another 10 minutes into boiling that. Right, next stage.
Allora, noi oggi abbiamo scelto di mettere questi qui, bucatini, noi chiamiamo i ditalini, bucatini.
Ditalini.
Ditalini.
Okay, right, they're called ditalini, okay, which are like those little tiny tubes, which mean little fingers, or ditaloni, I don't know. Anyway, little fingers or big fingers, but anyway, they're called ditalini or ditaloni. Okay, yeah.
Questi sono 150 grammi, secondo me 3-4 persone, ecco, sono 300 grammi di fagioli, più questa è più che sufficiente.
Okay, so we've got 150 grams of pasta, we've got 300 grams of beans, and obviously all the juices and all the rest of it. So it should be around about 3, maybe 4 people at a stretch. Okay.
Ricordiamoci di mescolare spesso perché i fagioli spesso si attaccano.
Okay. Just saying, we've got to remember that you've got to keep stirring it, because if it's not a non-stick pan, even if it is a non-stick pan, but if it's not a non-stick pan especially, it will stick on the bottom, okay, because it's beans. Okay. Well, quanto tempo adesso per quello lì?
10 minuti, 10 minuti, un quarto d'ora, 10 minuti.
Right, so and now with that pasta in there, it should take around about 10 minutes to 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Right.
Ok, una volta che siamo arrivati a bolle, mettiamo un po' di brodo vegetale.
Right. So once it's boiling, we put a bucket load of vegetable juice.
Ok.
The broth. Okay.
E poi i fagioli,
And then we'll add
quelli frullati.
okay, the cream that we've just made of beans. And then
Adesso-
stir. Quindi quanto tempo ci vuole adesso?
Adesso 10 minuti, un quarto d'ora, poi
Ok.
buttiamo la pasta.
Okay,
Mettiamo
so
la pasta.
now very simply we need about 10 minutes to finish that off, and then we'll put in the pasta. Right, so we're talking about 10 minutes after it's been boiling, so it's quite homogenic now. Alessandro's going to do the
Allora, adesso assaggiamo
okay,
se è salato.
tasting it just to see if it's salty enough or needs a little bit more.
Un po' di sale.
Okay.
Ok.
E voilà. Quanto tempo adesso?
Adesso 2 minuti, aggiungiamo un goccino d'acqua,
Okay, another couple of
un
minutes.
po' di brodo mettiamo.
We've just put a little bit more water in the broth. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm just gonna
20 minuti.
okay, see you in a couple of minutes.
Right, mi spiego?
So 20 minutes, not 15, but 20 minutes, right? So
Ok. Facciamo vedere che bello.
yeah. Okay, right.
Ok, così è pronto.
Yeah. Okay.
Ok, facciamo, ci mettiamo qui.
Allora, quindi cosa mi dici del carne che
Ok.
ok.
Mediamente da noi la tradizione è fare pasta e fagioli e cottiche. La cottica viene lessata prima, cotta lessata, poi una volta che è cotta la tagli a pezzettini piccolini, 2 cm per 2, e poi li metti assieme alla pasta e alla zuppa per altri 10 minuti, un quarto d'ora, il tempo di saporire tutto.
Ok.
Metti giù con la pasta, quando metti giù la pasta metti anche le cottiche.
Okay, right. So this was a poor man's dish. So you were saying before, we can do it vegetarian or whatever. They used to get the skin of the pig, and they used to cut quite a big piece, and then chop it up into little tiny 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter pieces. It was boiled before, and then put in there for another 20 minutes just to make it all flavored. And they ate that as well. So that's it. Right.
Ok, Giulio? Un po'. Wow.
Okay.
Sofia?
Ottimo!
Ottimo!
Ottimo! Bad! Very, very good! Really good! The 10 out of 10 for a bean soup. Very good. You can taste as well the tomato coming out in this. Very good. Wow.
Very good.
10.
Brilliant.
Very good. Thank you very much. Lovely. Okay, right.
Okay.
That's it.
Awesome.
Right. What I will do is they did say that often with this it goes with maltagliate, pasta maltagliate rather than these. So I will put, I don't know, somewhere, probably, I don't know, there or there, I'll put a little link for maltagliate if you're interested in making that. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and we'll see you hopefully next week if we've got somebody else to do it with. Ciao, bye.